All right, let's keep going. Now we're going to do some repeating. So public static void main, and I messed up already, but might as well keep going. We have to put in a class. So public class while example. I need to tab those over for good style. Okay. Now, what is a while statement or a while loop? Let's review what a if statement is. So let's have an int num1 equals 3. So if num1 equals 3, then all we're going to do is say system out print line life is beautiful, which I think maybe that is E-B-E-A. We're going to go with that. I hope that's how you spell beautiful. So I compile it, I save it, I put it in the same place I always put it, and then, oh dear, I have an error. Alright, we're starting off badly with this particular video, but we'll continue onward. So, life is beautiful. Num1 is a value of 3. We compare it to 3, and it results that this would be true, so we're going to say if true, which then executes life is beautiful. Well, what is a while statement? A while statement is an if statement that repeats itself. So let's just, in fact, I will just exactly take the if statement and we'll change it into a while statement. And as long as num1 equals 3, it will keep printing out life is beautiful. Compile that, life's good. And now, oh dear, life is very beautiful. I wonder when this will stop. A loop that never stops is called an infinite loop. So we can always stop it this way by pressing end. Otherwise, it would keep going as long as this program was not stopped by the operating system. I think I've written some infinite loop. Yeah. And just for fun, you might want to know that Apple Incorporated, their address is 1 infinity loop. They're kind of geeky that way. All right, so how do we change this? Well, since this is an infinite loop, it's going to go on forever, so we need to change this true. It's always true. I mean, as far as we're concerned, we just said while true, and while true just keeps going on forever like that. So let's not have a while true. Let's change this. And we're going to say num1 plus plus. And as you recall, this increments such that it looks like num1 equals num1 plus 1. That's the same thing, just in case you don't remember everything. So we run this once, and ta-da! Life is beautiful. It only happened one time. What if we wanted to run more times? So let's go ahead and hit this, make this 0, and then we'll say num1, while num1 is less than 3. So this will run. In fact, what we'll do is we'll change life is beautiful, we'll change it to just printing out num1, compile that, excellent, run it, and it prints it out 0, 1, and 2. Why didn't it print out 3? Well, 0 is less than 3, so it runs. 1, and then it gets incremented by 1, so it becomes 1. 1 is less than 3. Okay, yeah, so it runs, prints it out, and then becomes 2. 2 is less than 3, prints it out, and then it becomes 3. Is 3 less than 3? No. 3 is not less than 3, so it breaks out of the loop body. What is a loop body? The loop body is the part of the loop that repeats. So everything between this curly brace and that curly brace, this is the loop body. And just like an if statement, if there were no curly braces, it would only execute this one line over and over again. So let's go ahead and take this out. Compile that, and that'll be fine. And then I run it, uh-oh, it's always printing out 0. Because even though this is indented, as far as the compiler is concerned, it really looks like that. So curly braces are very important. And so we'll put our curly braces back in, we'll end it, we'll run it again, and voila. So let's review. What is a while statement, or a while loop? A while loop is exactly the same as an if statement, exactly the same, see the if statement, except that it repeats until this is no longer true. So just imagine this as if num1 is less than 3, do this, and then go back here again. Do this, go back here again. Do this, go back here again. As long as this expression is true, it will continue to do the loop body